These are the top 14 essential electronic components, their symbols, and their functions. 1. Resistors. A resistor is one of the components you will come across in an integrated circuit. Like the name suggests, the device resists the flow of current. Resistors are graded based on their power ratings, the amount of power they can handle without exploding, and resistance values, the capacity to resist current. The measurement is done in units known as ohms. 2. Capacitors. These components can store electric charge temporarily. The components come in different varieties, with the most common ones being electrolytic and ceramic discs. The capacity of a component is usually measured in microfarads, F. 3. Diodes. Diodes allow electric current to flow in a single direction only. Each diode has two terminals known as the anode and cathode. When the anode is charged with a positive voltage and the cathode with a negative one, electric current can flow. Reversing these voltages will prevent the current from flowing. 4. Transistors. These components are easy to identify through their three terminals. For the components to work, voltage has to be applied to one of them, the base terminal. The base can then control current flow at the two other terminals, the emitter and collector. 5. Inductors. These are passive components that store energy in the form of a magnetic field. An inductor simply consists of a coil of wire wound around some kind of core. The core could be a magnet or air. When current passes through the inductor, a magnetic field is created around it. The magnetic field is stronger if a magnet is used as the core. 6. Relays. These electromechanical switches shut power on or off. A relay includes an electromagnet, an armature, a series of electrical contacts, and a spring. 7. Circuit breakers. As a protective device, a circuit breaker can be controlled with a remote switch. It is designed to protect the circuit from overloading or a short circuit. 8. Transformers. Built with two coils of wire, transformers are commonly used to step up or step down power. 9. Switches. Switches interrupt current. The four types of switches are single pole, single throw, SPST, single pole double throw, SPDT, double pole single throw, DPST, and double pole double throw, DPDT. 10. Fuses. Fuses help preserve components from overloading with excessive current. A fuse consists of a connection body, support, contacts, and metal fuse material such as zinc or copper. 11. LDR, light-dependent resistor. As the name states, is a special type of resistor that works on the photoconductivity principle, means that resistance changes according to the intensity of light. Its resistance decreases with an increase in the intensity of light. 12. Integrated circuits. An integrated circuit refers to a special device that has all the components required in an electronic circuit. The component has diodes, transistors, and other devices, all of which are etched on a tiny piece of silicone. The components are used in many electronic devices, including watches and computers. 13. Microcontrollers. Microcontrollers are small computers used to control a multitude of devices, such as power tools, remote controls, medical equipment, and office machines. 14. Motors. Motors convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Key components include a rotor, stator, bearings, conduit box, enclosure, and eye bolt. Please like, share, and comment, and please don't forget to follow me for more education.